This is the molar mass of butane lab. I am going to first mass a butane lighter, and I'll record the mass to be 14.295. 14.295. Okay, that mass of my butane before the experiment, it's supposed to go right up here. So it's before the release of gas. And now I have a container that I filled with water. And I have a thermometer that's measuring the temperature. I have a graduated cylinder, a 100 milliliter graduated cylinder that is full to the brim with water. A ruler that I'm going to use to measure the height, the length of that column, and my butane lighter. I'm going to invert this cylinder into the water and start the release of the gas from the lighter. Okay, now there's a little bit of air trapped in there, and we're going to correct for that, and I'll show you how to do that. But right now I'm going to collect about 95 milliliters of the butane gas. Okay, now you're going to start to see some bubbles, and that's the gas from the lighter that is releasing, and it's entering the cylinder, displacing the water, and that is what I want. Takes a little bit of time. You want to make sure that all that gas is coming inside. You don't have any gas bubbles outside of that cylinder. Okay, I'm going to stop to see how much gas I have in there. This is inverted, so let's see, 90. I've got 96 milliliters of, that's my volume of gas. Okay, I write that in my data. Okay, and now I've got to measure the length of that column. So I'm going to adjust, there's still some water trapped in here, and I'm going to adjust to move this cylinder up and down so that the level of water inside is the same as the level of water outside. That makes it so that the air that's trapped inside here, or not air, but the butane, that gas, the pressure of the gas inside is the same as the atmospheric pressure outside. So let's see, and that adjusts the volume too, well, not by much, but I have about 95.5 instead of 96 milliliters. And that column is 6.7 centimeters. So 95.5 milliliters and 6.7 centimeters. Okay. And now, as you notice, I have a thermometer in here, and I'm going to measure the water temperature, which is at about 18 degrees Celsius. So write that in right here. That goes right here. Here's the volume of the gas. Here is the water temperature of 18 degrees. I am now going to weigh, after I dried it, I'm going to weigh the butane a lighter again to see how much mass I have lost. That will be the mass of my butane. Okay. Here I am again, and I'm re-weighing my lighter after I got done with the experiment. And its mass is 14.174. 14.174. Okay, this is the filled data table for the mass of butane lab.